Good morning to all students of class first year and class intermediate, RS Inter College Kanpur. Before 2 days, I have told you the exchangement of affirmative into negative and negative into affirmative. So these topics are common for first year and for intermediate classes. So students of first year and students of intermediate, all of you have to write down it and to understand well very carefully and to note it in the fair copy. The fair copy will be checked. Every topic should be noted. You should remember it. So today I am teaching you the transformation. The topic is the exchangement of affirmative into interrogative or the assertive into interrogative. So in this topic also you should remember that sense remains the same. Sense should not be changed at any cost. As in affirmative and negative, negative and affirmative in the same way, when we transform the assertive sentence into interrogative sentence, sense should not be changed. And when we shall change interrogative sentence into negative sentence, then also the sense should remain the same, sense should not be changed. For it, if the assertive sentence in affirmative, it will be in negative when we shall change it into interrogative. And if it is in negative sentence, then when we shall change it into interrogative, it will be in affirmative sentence. As look carefully to the sentences. Assertive we have to change into interrogative sentences. As he has done the work. Interrogative will be has he not done the work. So you have seen that in this sentence, when it was an assertive sentence, then it was an affirmative. Not or never was not used in it. But in this sentence, that has been changed into interrogative, we have used not. Into changing, we have also changed into negative sentence. So this will be he has done the work, he has not done the work. So it is the negative sentence. And in the same way, when we shall change it into assertive sentence into negative interrogative sentence, it will be you went to college today. So it will be did you not go to college today? Did you not go to college today? He passed last year in the board examination. So it is in affirmative. Not or never is not used in this sentence. So this will be did he not pass last year in the board examination? The sense remains the same, as the sense in this sentence is he passed last year in the board examination. So did he not pass last year in the board examination? This sentence also gives the sense of this sentence. In the same way, did he not pass last year in the board examination? None can do this work. It is in assertive sentence. None can do this work. Assertive, but it is in negative sentence. When we change it into interrogative sentence, it will be in affirmative sentence. Means not or never or omitted or avoided. So it will be who do this work. So all love their parents. All love their parents. So it will be who does not love his parents. She did not help you. It will be did she help you. The sense is the same as it was in this sentence. She did not help you. So did she help you? We have removed not. from this sentence, then we have changed it into interrogative sentence. Did she help you? In the same way, in this sentence, it is assertive sentence. I have not met the teacher. When we shall change it into interrogative sentence, it will be have I met the teacher. The sense is the same as in this sentence, I have not met the teacher. Kanpur is not a small city. It is in negative sentence also. So it will be in affirmative when we shall change it into interrogative sentence. Kanpur is not a small city. It will be changed into is Kanpur a small city. Hari will go to school tomorrow. So will Hari not go to school tomorrow? Means it was in affirmative sentence. When we change into interrogative sentence, it will be into negative sentence also. Means not has been used here. In this sentence, not was not used here. That's why we shall make it will Hari not go to school tomorrow. This sentence is giving the sense of this sentence. There is no different sense in two of the sentences. So in such a way, you have to solve many other sentences also. You should note this in your copy, fair copy, and after that you have to do homework also. In homework, from exercise, you have to do open the grammar book, and from that the chapter transformation, and in that chapter also sub-chapter will be changement of assertive into interrogative. First exercise of this chapter you have to do in your homework copy. Thank you very much. That's all.